If your Verizon Fios TV remote isn't working, there are a few quick fixes you can try before assuming it's broken. Start with the basics and replace the batteries with fresh ones, making sure they're inserted correctly. If your remote has a motion-activated light and it's not turning on, remove the batteries for a few seconds and reinsert them to reset the internal sensor. If that doesn't help, power cycle your FiOS TV box by unplugging it from the wall for at least 30 seconds, then plugging it back in. This refresh can fix minor communication glitches. If you're using a voice remote and it's not responding, try repairing it by holding the play, pause button, and the 0 button together until the blue light flashes, then release and allow it to reconnect automatically. If the remote controls the box but not your TV's volume or power, go into the on-screen menu, navigate to Settings, then Voice Control, select Program Voice Remote, and run the automatic setup or manual setup if needed. If none of these steps work, test with another remote if available, and if the issue persists, contact Verizon support, since remotes are typically covered under warranty.